Hello, I'm Alexander from Trading Price Action on Futures.com. It's March the 11th of 2015 and this is the recap for yesterday's and today's trades. I did not have much time to do the videos, so this will be the recap of two trading days. For this recap I use a 2-minute chart to preserve some nuances of my trading strategy. It has been very difficult these days. Trades are not doing what they're supposed to do. So let's take a look at this. On Tuesday, we took a total of 4 trades, 3 losers and 1 winner. At the open of the of the trading room, we could see that we were trading at resistance. Price was forming a W pattern, giving us a short entry. Right away there was a bounce back up and stopped us out for a total of minus 13 ticks per contract. So trade 1. Total minus 39 ticks. Then next setup, we had a bounce back down. Sorry. Forming a resistance level right here. Price could not held the resistance level, bounced back up to it, came back to it, formed the W pattern, giving us the entry. But price decided to come back again. To take our stop out. The move, as you can see, was there, but there was no price just decided to come back to stop us out. So second trade for the day, minus 12, total minus 36 ticks. Then next setup came right after the break of this area. There was a pullback into the area, giving us a re-entry long. Right away there was no follow through. So the third trade of today, of that day, for a total of minus 42 ticks. Then next setup, price broke the support level down, came exactly back to the level where we wanted it. Gave us the short entry. Took one contract contract off at 15 ticks, and the next to one at 13 ticks. It was sitting right below the lower low of the low of today. So I decided to take 2 contracts off at 13 instead of one at 13 and the other at 14. So trade 4 plus 15 plus 13, total 75, 5 ticks. Down day, daily outcome was minus 42 ticks. That's minus $420 for that day. Then today we had the news coming out. No trades until the news was released. There were some good opportunities sitting here, but I don't like to trade before the news. Then after the news was released, there was an area of, I have to look here at my higher time frame, 47. There was an area created after the news, after the bounce back into this low, with a resistance area. Price couldn't hold that area. You cannot see it here because of the minute, of the fact that the minute chart only the candle is formatted by time and not by price action, so you cannot see the level right here. But there was a level sitting at 47.53. Price broke it, indicating a bounce back up into this area right here. Price bounced back up, came back to it here, missed it by a tick, the area, gave us the entry, but price decided again to come back and to stop us out. So first trade of today, minus 13, minus 13, minus 13, total minus 39 ticks. Right after that, a re-entry. We took the re-entry of that setup. It was a momentum trade, but right after after our entry, there was a pullback back into this area, but you could see some hesitation in price. Pulled my stop back up to break even, got us out. If we held on to the trade, we could have our target met, but you could see here in the candles that there was no clear direction. So I think I I did the right thing to go break even. Eventually in this candle the first target was met to take 2 contracts off at 15 ticks. So for this trade, a break even trade. Then next setup, price broke the resistance level back up, bounced back into it at the tick 14,779, sitting right at this high, gave us the entry. I think we missed the first target by 2 or 3 ticks. So again, break even trade. Trade 3, break even. After that, price entered in a consolidation area. No opportunities sitting right here. Trade room was open for another hour. I was expecting the move back up to let's look at my higher time frame, back up to the 48.13 area. So I didn't close the trading room to see if we could get the trade setup back up. Eventually, price decided to test this low again. That for me was too far into the support area. Support area was sitting right here. Eventually the move was there, but no opportunity to get in, no wallet setup on the trade chart. So again, trade price not doing what it was expected to do. I think it has a little bit to do with the fact that volume is divided within 2 contracts. It is rollover day tomorrow. I probably will be trading the April contracts for today or yesterday, or tomorrow. Sorry. So I think it has a little bit to do with volume being divided into the two contracts. So that was basically it. I gave almost all my gains from the last week back to the market. Setups are in the good direction, but there is just no follow through. So we just have to wait and hope volume will be back next week. So if you like this, subscribe and take a look at the website, and see you back tomorrow.